Martel Adventure TV. This is what we are cooked today. Curry chicken, back, and flour. Yeah man, these are all of the ingredients. Yeah. See them here. We have them here. We have them here. I'm out.
Come on, tell me say if any cakes in my float, then ready.
Alright.
Yeah.
So that one name will take time and flow. Wash off the bucket some vinegar and thing.
You ever see this on YouTube?
That's it, power?
YouTube?
Alright. Yeah, I'll go with that. Get the back ready for you, you know?
Yeah, back off you active, you know. Slice and nice. Nothing I prep everything I do on camera, you know.
Yeah. No,
Yeah. Michael say he might eat it, you know.
Michael, quiet today. You have toothache? You have a toothache?
Nah, yeah.
Nah, you're Michael.
So we drink man, that metal, man.
Prep up in system.
Prep him up.
No, Michael, that. That is not Michael.
Yo.
What with you?
You see what I want right now? This look proper. Yeah.
See it here, people.
Yeah man.
Wash him down back here now.
So this thing I work out, you know.
Yeah.
No rah, nothing,
No
you know.
rah, no tata.
No.
Yeah.
Proper thing, man, you know, man. Check in, man.
Right. Throw off the water and get some fresh ones. So catch me back.
Yeah. Back with some fresh water, you know.
People, don't want your roadside.
A roadside setting I did to them, man. I'm sure the people them are gone, you know. Yeah. Bagari and some style. I don't see that them pull up on now.
Watch this now, peeps. Know this? Some man don't know this.
White onion.
Prep up all of them things and fill up on it now.
Alright, you season this up. I was a blood off. Season and drop in. 187 and take the peel 1 onion. God.
Bad chef, you know.
The people, too hot scotchy.
Thing I wash off set time, you know. This is not salt anymore.
Watch it, peeps.
You get pepper curry now, better pack.
Better pack.
Because you cook with garlic, you know, people.
Whole heap of garlic.
If you start some garlic, you can start flicking, you know. The meat, they start flick up and down like one ninja. They know how that is up, so that in them there.
Watch out now, people.
Onion cut up.
Well diced, man.
Well diced and sliced.
Yeah.
Star right, show them, man.
Pepper.
Just make your nose run.
Real scotchy.
Aye.
Ooh. That is it. Yeah, man.
Papa thing, you know?
Get the garlic then.
Flour.
Get the garlic then. Yeah. Get the scallion.
You smell them?
Mm-mm.
Oh, God,
Smell the
man.
chicken, man.
I mean, definitely chicken, man.
That's no joke. Whoa.
Watch out again, we're not done yet. Still hot.
Actually, instead I put the good spice in it, you know? Still I put some Maggi in it, you know? You know what I'm saying?
Maggi.
Full of spice, you know? Oh,
Smell
God,
it?
man. That's my chief one, man.
Mm.
Good God, man.
Good old jerk.
Yeah.
Dog, send us all time on this, you know?
Probably no.
Definitely marinate for the go and all, you know? Better taste this, you know? Season to the bone.
What's up the curry
Drop
pan?
one and curry on it.
That is it. Whoa. Smell it? Smell it?
Oh, God, youth. Oh, God, youth. Ryan, people.
Smell it?
This are you, yeah?
You chop pot, you know. Flour pot go up on fire. Next you see back in so it a bubble.
Come in.
No.
Why, hombre?
Why?
Fire for that.
What's up on the line?
Fire for that.
Cumin seeds, see the people.
Show them
man.
it. Cumin, not
Cumin
coming.
seeds, man. Not coming.
Not coming,
man.
man.
Wait, what's the man? Go cumin seeds, man.
Why?
Lighter! Never know. And them they ain't telling me say you never know yourself this.
Fix it, I cover them, man. Oh God. Oh God, man. Mouth warning.
Watery.
I ain't part of our part. Oh, you matter.
Lively now. Wake. Bop.
I'm not sure the fan, man. Oh gosh. Oh God, man. See that?
People.
Oh God. Brush up on the grill set time, man. I wanna move, man. You know. Clean lasket and plastic, man.
Man, next time I see we share to share.
One more tell, man. Best it occur them on the app, man. No boy test, man.
They say,
Water. Piece of pear, no? Piece of pear go in there, make it mad, you know? This is when I just get female like him afraid, like him want to take a flower from him. Me a flower there.
You see that one name it take time and flow.
Calm see them, man, I did.
Regular calm sea.
Yeah.
Calm sea.
Calm.
Alright, so that one now? That one you call it boiling pot. That one the good part. Yeah, that one the good part.
that one. One Martel Adventures here.
You hear that?
No boy test.
Put in there, yeah? How do you bowl? Bite up bone, yeah?
Quef. Yeah, Mr. Tiger.
Well, the day I will connect it to you, that one in the push-up part.